roll call.
Second.
Made by Councilor American, seconded by Councilor Viola. Councilor Zane, for what reason?
Yeah, I have a statement that I want to put in record. For the appointment of Joe M. McMenemy of Berkshire Juvenile Court. As in the past, additional information regarding the nominee has been gathered after the day of the vote of the Governor's Council. This rings true with this nomination of Joe McMenemy. In my tenure, I have never received such negative information regarding a nominee. Letters, testimony from as many as 4 groups of people and attorneys who characterize this nominee in a similar manner, concealing evidence, making false statements, willful prosecutorial actions, factual misrepresentations, unacceptable demeanor, and temperament. At her hearing, despite being advised in advance by her district counselor of people who stated they would be coming to speak in opposition to her appointment, Ms. McMenemy came to the hearing without any documentation to answer the potential testimony of charges that would be waged against her. She was evasive with her answers, even when asked the most simple question. For example, instead of simply responding yes or no, when I asked her if she got confirmed by this counsel, would she recuse herself if a witness who spoke against her appointment appeared before her? At the hearing, I referred to the last section of the counsel's questionnaire to disclose anything unfavorable. She wrote of a complaint to the Board of Bar Overseers that was dismissed and other complaints. But again, this nominee neglected to attach in cases of documentation. I advised her that past nominees have attached copies of cases and documentation. At the hearing, she was asked by counsel to provide any documentation as way of explanation to the accusations made. She agreed to produce said documents, but instead simply wrote a letter to the governor's counselor. At her hearing, Ms. McMenemy admitted to misrepresenting facts in court and stated that she later wrote a letter of explanation. She said she would provide that to the counsel. Nothing was received, just her letter, where it appeared she blamed her factual misrepresentations and other misconduct on the police, the DCF, and others. In addition, after reading all the many documents sent from Attorney Swanley to all the counsels, the shadow over this nominee just gets wider. He included official documents, court records, Judge Verable's decision of dismissal, letters, etc. The attorney's adjectives were quite strong, such as mercurial, combative, and vindictive. After days and many hours spent investigating and assimilating all the information, I cannot, on behalf of the people of the Commonwealth, vote for the appointment of Ms. McMenemy. The Commonwealth will not be well served with a judge whose philosophy appears to be not to seek justice, but instead to get a conviction at any cost. The ends justify the means. Thank you very much.
Just briefly, all I need to know about this nominee is that she ruthlessly and relentlessly pursued a mom and dad from kidnapping their own child for almost a year after she already knew that the prosecution was frivolous. They have a no-drop policy that she's a part of Berkshire County, and we were informed by the Berkshire County DA, and I think this is quite important, that he vouched for her ethical behavior, that she was the moral conscience of the Berkshire District Attorney's Office, that prosecutorial misconduct is not tolerated in Berkshire County. In 10 minutes, on the LexisNexis research site, I found 3 cases in the last year where Berkshire County District Attorney prosecutors' cases have been overturned for prosecutorial misconduct, for improper closing remarks, for hiding evidence, and in one case, the judge said that the prosecutor for Berkshire County crossed the line. I point out that no names are used in any of these cases. We'll never know who the prosecutor is in any